Hey guys, welcome to Shop Dust from down here on the floor of the shop. Today in this video, I'm going to do a little something that has been bugging me for quite some time now. And it's this workbench. I use it as my outfeed table. I use it as a sanding station. I use it as a assembly table. It's in all the videos, but you guys never get to see this side of it. One of the things I got going on is this door here is awful wobbly. It doesn't shut when I just swing it shut. It's come apart, and so you got to lift it up to shut it. I'm missing a handle for the drawer here. This tabletop, this bench top is warped like you would not believe. I mean, there's probably, I'm laying this flat edge there, and there's about a ½ inch gap from one side to the next, and it's just dished out. It's humid and dry and cold and hot up here, so this is what happens if you don't have something sitting on top of it. I made this table about 4 years ago, or this bench about 4 years ago, and it's seen better days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top off. I'm going to fix this drawer and put some melamine on top of it so I have a nice smooth surface, a surface that I can scrape glue off of and clean up real easy. I'm also going to take the casters off of the bottom and just use some blocks. It's on casters, locking casters, but it only locks the wheels. It doesn't lock the swivel. So if I just barely push on this thing, it moves all over the place. So with that, you guys check out this video. It's just a little bit of an improvement that I've got to do, and check it out. Take a look at this, guys. All 4 of those corners are busted from that top warping. So I had this screwed in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and all of it failed. Look at this piece of wood. Look how warped that is. Yuck. I've been working on that for about 4 years. I have true flat surfaces like that granite countertop, and this workbench is fine, and I think the reason being is because it has a bunch of weight on it. But I think it's going to be great to have this piece of melamine put on there and flatten everything out, but we got a little bit more work to do before that can go on. So here we go again, high speed. Well, that right there was a needed to get done project, and I sure am glad I did it. That other bench top looked like a potato chip. This one's nice, flat, level, and true. Also got me a couple new doors and door pulls. Those wooden ones I had turned a long time ago when I built this thing, they were just falling off. Took the magnets out of the bottom there, and that's able so I can get my planer and my drum sander in there without knocking them around or them getting in the way. I can just reach down, put them in, pull them out when I need to. And I put these little door clips on here to hold the doors closed a little better. Was actually able to take the casters off of the bottom and put a couple 4x4s down there with adjustable feet. So I was able to bring this up to table saw height, and my sled works really nice and smooth now. Comes right through. I don't have to line it up every single time I want to use my sled or a miter gauge or anything of that nature. Sorry this video got sped up and it's a high speed through the whole thing. This is a project that I really needed to get done, and didn't have a whole lot of time for filming, but I thought I would go ahead and share the process with you. I got another project going on, and so I was working 2 or 3 projects at the same time. I've got a few things going on with the shop right now that I am pretty excited about. I'll be doing a shop tour here in the next month or so, and I'm asking you guys if you have any questions that you want answered about the shop or anything. Feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you have any questions about this build or any other build, feel free to ask questions and leave comments down below. I'd really like to hear from you. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, why don't you go ahead and do that to keep up with my videos. That's all I got for now, and be looking for you on the next video. And with that, you guys keep working in the shop.